Hello everyone, so today I am here with my freebie organization. I asked if you guys would be interested in seeing that in my character sticker declutter / organization, and you guys said yes. If you hear any background noise, that will be gone soon because I am going to be doing a voiceover, but I did just want to come on here and say, first and foremost, these are all the freebies I have. I have freebies from Fox and Pip, I have Sparkly Paper Co., S'more Crafter, I have Stick with the Plan Co., Coffee Monsters Co., a nice chunky stack of Fox and Cactus, as well as Once More with Love, Paper and Milk, and then this huge stack of like samplers from Papershire that used to be Toffee Bananas. I'm a big dum-dum and I totally forgot to print and cut myself some more of the character labels that are in SPC shop, but I will be doing that soon. So I did just go ahead and write down all of the ones that I am going to be using. I also have the Once More with Love reusable sticker book that I will be putting those on top of. So when I do bring those home, which hopefully I remember to do that soon, I'll just put the little label up top here. So just know that's what I plan on doing. I think I'm gonna do, it's 34 things, and if there's 34 pages, I might just do one per page. Maybe I'll go back. I don't like back like this, like on every other page. Sorry, my brain is so fried right now because I had to write all this down because I'm a big dum-dum. But I hope you guys enjoy this nonetheless. I wish I would have prepared a little bit more, but that is my own fault. I think the best way for me to do this is just to kind of, since I don't have the labels, just go down per category. Okay, adulting, and kind of flip through all of my freebies and go based off of that. So that is what I am doing today. Right, so voiceover Kirsten is here. I did end up splitting this into two parts. I wasn't going to originally because I felt like I could do it all in one go, like I did with the character declutter and organization video. However, I found that freebie organization is an entirely new beast and she hard. So I decided to split this into two parts because I had been sitting down for like an hour and a half filming this, and I realized it's just a lot and I have a lot more to go. So I stopped after the food section. So yeah, she's a whole new beast, but I know once it's done, I'm going to be happy that it's done. It's just annoying in the meantime to do it. So the second part will go up in May. I'm not sure when yet, but it will go up in May. So I did ask on my Instagram for some questions for this voiceover. I'm thinking I might do music for the next part, just because I've asked for questions twice now, and I feel like it's kind of difficult to come up with new questions, and I feel bad asking for them again. So I am going to answer the questions that I got on my Instagram story. The first question says, the biggest difference going from one daughter to two. I think going from just one kid in general to two kids is kind of a larger difference because you're so used to spending and maximizing all of your time with one child. You're used to being able to put all of your attention on one child and, take complete and full care, both parents. And when you go from one to two, you have to kind of manage your time and, I don't know how best to explain it, but sometimes one parent can be with one child and one parent can be with another. So you aren't able to really utilize all of your time with one specific child, but you have to kind of spread out your time evenly. So I think that's the biggest difference. And it can be a little bit sad sometimes because you can't fully focus on one kid, but they understand. And you can always do everything as a family. Next question says, your favorite part about planning in general. I think my favorite part about planning pre-memory keeping, back when I was just using a planner from middle to high school up into probably before memory keeping, was just being able to have things to look forward to, putting things in my planner that were like countdowns to certain things, which I still can do, but it's a little bit different. And yeah, just like the looking forward to part. And then the thing that I enjoy the most about planning now, the memory keeping, is if you watched my planner throwbacks video, like looking back at all of my spreads, that's something I really enjoy, is going back and looking at all of my spreads and igniting memories and being able to see certain spreads and know exactly what happened that day and that week. And it's so fun for me to be able to look back. And I just really enjoy planning for lots of different aspects, but that is definitely one of them. And then I did get a lot of questions about school. The first one says, with your busy schedule with work and home, are you still in school? Would love to hear a school update. Are you still doing your online classes? Are you still studying? I got a ton of questions about school. So I am almost done with my bachelor's degree. I don't know how many classes off the top of my head I have left, but it's not a lot. It's relatively close to being done. But I am taking some time off right now. And I have been taking time off for a while. I haven't necessarily, I don't think, spoken about it in a video, but I do if someone asks me in the comments. I always answer. But I am taking some time off to focus on work and my family right now. I do work 60-hour weeks normally, and then I try to spend as much time with my family as possible when I am home. And although I could somehow time management it where I could attend school at the same time and do everything I want to do and still work and spend time with my family, I don't think it would benefit me in any way, because then I would not sleep. I would have no time to myself and for myself. And so right now I am just focusing on work and family. And, you know, school's always going to be there. I still have all of my credits and everything's still there. We'll go back eventually, but right now it's just not on the top of my priority list. The top of my priorities is my family and being able to work currently. The next question says, what's the most exciting thing about building your own house? I got a lot of house questions as well. The most exciting thing, this is going to sound really cheesy. The thing I'm most excited about, and this isn't just necessarily having to do with building the house, but just having our own house, like having our own space. I can't tell you how many times I think to myself, I cannot wait to go trick-or-treating in our own neighborhood. I cannot wait to ride bikes. I can't wait to play in our backyard. Like, there's just so many things I cannot wait for. I can't wait to decorate for holidays. Like, and I know we can do all of those things in an apartment, but it's just so different when it's your own space, like your own space. And I'm really looking forward to that. I think that's something that makes me feel very sentimental and very excited, and I don't know, I'm just really looking forward to it. But I guess the most exciting thing about building would probably have been the design meeting. I feel like that was the most fun. And I feel like we did it really fast, which is good. And it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. Favorite personality trait of both of your girls? This is so funny. Me and Brian talk about this all the time. So my favorite personality trait about Avery is that she is incredibly sweet. She is so kind and, like, I want to say almost gentle. She cares a lot. Like, she cares a lot about everything and everybody, and she's just so sweet. Like, she's such a sweet soul, and I love it so much. And it's funny because my favorite thing about Reagan is almost the opposite. Reagan is so mean. Like, she's so cute, and she can be cute and sweet and kind, and Avery can be mean too, don't get me wrong. But Reagan is, like, just a little jerk. Like, she's so mean. I think it's her Aries personality. She's just a little bit mean. But I really like it because I think it's funny, because it's going to be something that's going to be incredibly annoying her entire childhood into teenage years, the very combative, like, angry, mean kid. But I think it's going to be so fun as an adult because she just has, like, a personality, and she's confident in herself, and she has a mind of her own, and I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah, what other hobbies do you have besides planning? I don't have any other hobbies, really. Planning is kind of my only hobby right now. I could say reading, but I haven't read in a very long time, which makes me incredibly sad. And yeah, that's pretty much my only hobby right now. And then I answered, yeah, what are you most looking forward to about your house? I just answered that. Let's see. Is Avery excited to start kindergarten next year? I asked her this in her interviewing Avery video, and she says yes. She is very excited. You should definitely watch that video if you have not. Do you have any more tattoo plans? I do, but I don't have any plans to get any anytime soon. Well, don't let me lie to you. Not, like, in the immediate future, as in, like, right now, obviously, but maybe, like, next year. I don't know. How often do you wear makeup? I went from wearing makeup to loving a bare face. I don't wear makeup very often. I started wearing it a little bit more often because I've been filming more sit-down videos, but if I could be perfectly honest with you, I feel like a regular scheduled me, I wear it maybe once a month, maybe. I'm talking like special events is like the only time I really wear makeup. I just don't. I wear bare face every day, and my skin thanks me for it, honestly. Will you please vlog again? We get these questions all the time, and maybe. I don't know. Besides stickers, have you been online shopping more because we were stuck inside? Yes. I have placed 2 orders? 2? No, because I've been placing like Amazon orders like crazy. Yeah, just the online shopping in general. It's just a lot. It's just kind of a lot. What is your all-time favorite movie? I have 3 kind of all-time favorite movies that I talk about a lot. And then, of course, I have other favorite movies that I like to talk about. But my top 3 are Dazed and Confused, Jaws, and Beetlejuice. 3 all-time favorites. But there's so many other movies that I love so much. Like, my newest favorite is Zodiac. I really liked that. I don't know. I can think of a lot of movies. I really like watching movies and TV shows. I have a lot of questions asking if I can talk more about my house. A lot of people said like specs and how many bedrooms and bathrooms. It's 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And then someone asked, did COVID halt any of the house plans? Fortunately, it did not, actually. Everything was good to go. We actually are almost done. It should be done by the end of this month, I think, if not like early next month. So thankfully nothing got halted, which I'm very happy about. Is there a reason you had another kid so young? Man, TBH, unprotected sex. Was not planning for a second baby. Are you in school? Are you most excited for the new house? Yeah, of course. What is something funny about motherhood you weren't expecting? I wasn't expecting to have a child that is almost exactly like me, personality-wise, because dealing with myself is not very fun. But it's so cute. And I guess, like, the way it takes a toll on your body, because, like, I guess I can be considered young to some people and I can be considered old to some people, so I don't know how to word this properly, but like I feel young sometimes and I feel like my body is old. So I feel like motherhood has aged me in that sense. Okay. How will you decorate your house? I have no clue yet, you guys. I have no idea. I don't have any specific themes or anything picked out. I feel like we're going to stick to neutrals because we had like a red themed kitchen for so long, like red appliance themed, and oh my god, I hate it. We've had a red appliance themed kitchen since we moved into our first apartment in North Carolina, and I don't know whose idea that was, but like I wish I could go back in time and kick one of us because like what were we thinking? But I definitely want like a more of a white stainless steel kitchen appliance wise. I just don't know. I don't have really any ideas yet. I feel like once we move in, my butt is going to be on Pinterest a lot because I just need ideas for things, but I can't guarantee we're going to decorate as soon as possible because obviously we have to save for it, but I'm very excited. Okay. And I think I have one question left, which is crazy because I'm almost done with this video, but that's fine because I totally understand because I asked for questions like 2 weeks ago, so you guys are probably out of questions, which I completely get. So why did you guys decide for you to work and Brian to stay home and not reversed? There was a couple of reasons, but like the perfectly honest answer is just that I made more money, so it made the most sense for me to be working more. So that was just kind of the answer. And then I did get a lot of questions about SPC. Just so you guys know, I do plan on doing a video soon about working at SPC, at least me working at SPC, just me, nobody else, because it's me. So all those questions I'm not ignoring, I'm just kind of like saving because I'm going to be doing a video very soon. And I'm very excited about it because my 5-year work anniversary, I guess, is coming up. Y'all, I have never had a job for this long, which is kind of crazy. Well, it's not crazy because, like, it has been most of my adult life has been working at SPC because I started when I was 20. So most of my adult life. But, yeah, I had a lot of jobs that were just very quick teen jobs. But, yeah, that is pretty much it. I don't want to continue with this voiceover and, like, be incredibly boring, so I will go ahead and just put some music in for the rest of this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this. If you don't, let me know, because I don't mind not doing a part 2. I really don't. I'll still have to finish it, because everything is still on my desk. I still have to finish it. It's just, I know you guys probably want me to film it, because if I started it, I might as well keep going, and it was pretty brutal, but we're almost there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to go ahead and add in music now.